What's up guys, this is Aaron from S&B, and today I wanted to update you guys on our new helmet separator package. So before, on the site, you would have to order the helmet separator, the hoses, the straps, all separately, but now we wanted to make it easy for you guys and put it all in one package. So we'll do a little unboxing here and show you what you're gonna get. First thing you're gonna see is two hardware packs. This is gonna be the hanger mounts. So this allows you to hang the hoses at whatever location you want. So when you're not using it, you can take it out of the helmet, plop it up, and it's easy to access. We're gonna include 3 of our most popular strap sizes for this one. And this one is gonna be the housing straps. Now we included 4 of the top straps that you're gonna need to hang your housing. Next, you're gonna see 2 6-foot hoses. Now the cool thing about these hoses is you can cut them down. So if you do not want 6 feet, you can just take a knife or some scissors, cut it to the size you want, and screw the ending back on. So put that over there. And next, for the helmet separator itself, we got this guy here. When you open this box, the first thing you're gonna see is this package. And this is just some more mounting hardware. These are gonna go directly to the helmet separator itself. Put that over here. Next is the installation card. Now this installation card has a QR code, and if you scan the QR code with your phone, it's gonna take you guys to the most up-to-date installation instructions. Next, for the helmet separator itself. Now, if you guys don't know much about this helmet separator, the cool thing is there's no filter. And what makes ours special is it replicates the actual particle separator. So dirty air goes into here. There's a fan at the bottom that expels the dust, and it puts the cold air right into your helmet. Another cool thing is it has a dial for the speed, so you can turn it up or down. For example, if it's a super hot day outside and you want that air blasting, cooling you down, you turn it all the way up. But if it's cold outside, you want to maybe have it halfway or whatever your personal preference is. Last but not least, we include our wire harness. So this is just a simple plug and play wire harness, and what's also included is a rocker switch. So you're able to turn that helmet separator on and off whenever you like. So I know there's a lot of things in this box, but again, we wanted to make it simple for you guys. It's a one-stop shop for the helmet separator. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out.